Hello everyone. So welcome to today's video. So let us see how Nifty moved yesterday. So if you see the index, so it was more or less it started around 16,000. So if you remember yesterday, let me go once. So yes, yesterday it was 26. So 25th May, it closed around 16,000 40 or 60 like that, if you remember correctly. Then it started with a slight gap up 170, 16,170. Then a selling pressure came. Selling pressure started and market started falling and also touched the low of 15,900. 15,900 it touched low, and then suddenly a buying came and the market gave a good short covering rally from 16,900 to 16,170. So it's around 100, almost 300 points. 300 points from the low. So mostly it was good. So the day before yesterday, the last 2 days, the steel stocks were going down. So if you see, if you see the Tata Steel, because of that export duty and other bans. So last 2 days it was going down, and then yesterday it recovered. Tata Steel recovered around 5.29%. So I told you that day before yesterday I bought Tata Steel when it was falling. So it gave me some good returns. So that was the thing. So steel is a commodity. The steel is a commodity that is required. You can't uh, avoid steel, right? It may be commodities have some cycles. That is true, but according to me, steel is a essential one because everything from roads, infrastructure, buildings, you need steel rods, right? So I think so. Not only Tata Steel, I think all of the other steel, JSW Steel, Jindal Steel has given up the rally because I have only Tata Steel in my portfolio, so I know this one. So that is about Tata Steel. So yesterday, the other thing, yes. So yesterday, if you Dr. Lal Pathlabs, if you have in your portfolio, Lal, sorry. So if you have Lal Pathlabs in your portfolio, so you have been seen that it has. Let me do the date price range. So from its peak at 4,200, it delete it once. So it has fall around how much? 56% of its value it has lost from its peak. So it was continuously falling, but yesterday it gave up a rally around at almost 9.5%. So let us see what happens. So let me remove this one, and I will show you one more thing about this stock. How to? Let me. Okay, leave it. So let me draw one trend line. So if you see this trend line, it was going around this thing. Maybe this will be a good one, and another one. So this one is there. One more closer trend line we can cut is this one. Yes. So you can see these are the three trend lines, and it was trading below this. So this was a decreasing channel, a steep decreasing channel, but yesterday it covered that one. So even if today it covers more of this trend line, it crosses this middle line, and then hopefully there may be a chance of recovery. So can't immediate say, but yes. So even if let me draw one more price action chart. So suppose I take this line as a good resistance line, and maybe a second resistance line as this one. So even if the stock moves from current price to this price, so see it's a 29% gain. And even if it moves from, and if it move from here to here, the second resistance line is 37% gain. So there is a good chance of profit booking here. But so I'm not suggesting to you to invest directly, but study the fundamentals of the company and try to understand. So recently, actually, in quarter four, this medical companies, this laboratory companies results came. Both Lalpats and Metropolis were not performed up to their expectations. So that's why their stocks had been tanked. So look out for these opportunities. If you believe in the fundamentals, then you can invest. So these two are specific things. So yesterday, from the morning itself, the bank stocks were looking good. So if you see the Nifty Bank, so if you see the Nifty Bank is, so yesterday it gave up 2.2% rise. So Nifty Bank was looking good from morning, so it was keeping in the support, and then after that other things were selling that time. But after 11 p.m. or something, as I showed, around this is around 11:40, then again the market started recovering as a short pull level. But we can't say. See if you see the so it is only a small green candle. So let us see how today's market behave. Then we can uh, make some more decisions. Let me check my index fund. Yes. So index fund yesterday there was some loss, right? Some 69 or 70, if I remember correctly. And today it was today it came at 320. So if you just go to the holdings, view transactions, yes. So this loss came down a bit, and this profit increased. So overall, I am in a profit. I am thinking to make a scheduled. So in this coin by Zerodha, you can do some scheduled investment. You can also do. So if you go for to buy more, and you can give a conditional offer, a conditional order. So here I can give around, maybe if there is a 10, its NAV is 10, then I want to invest 20,000. So like that I can do. I'm not giving it now because I think I gave. So I gave a conditional order, but it paused for some timing. So I'll do it. Let me see how the market is moving today. So this is the thing. So yesterday all the indices, US stock market indices were in green. Nasdaq was up by 2.68, S&P 500 2%, Dow Jones 1.61. So hopefully today also it will reflect in the Indian market. Indian market will go higher. So that I am expecting. So what is the SGX Nifty suggesting? So SGX Nifty is also studies suggesting it will go up to, it closed so 16,300 it can go. So let us see how it moves. And what else? Let us see the ones quickly. The oil price. Oh my god. So oil is now $117 per barrel. It's quite high. We were seeing around 113, 114. Now it's $117. So that is still there. One more stock we were seeing yesterday was Asian Paints, right? So if you go to the Asian Paints, so I remembered because seeing the oil price, because oil is their main ingredient. Yes. So Asian Paint, yeah, it went down further yesterday. If you see this week of the candle, yesterday's candle, so it went down up and touched around 2718, and then it started recovering, and lastly it ended at 0.07% green. So continuous, you can say 2 days of long red candles. Let us see from now how much it will move up. Okay, so let us see if there are any other news. There is some interview. Okay, we'll do see later this thing. MPN to contain inflation without shocking the market. Okay, the monetary policy council that. Well, okay, so export of this wheat, I think million ton, right? Yes, export of 1 million ton wheat is likely to get green signal. Okay. The export government on 13th May banned export of wheat, amending accelerating inflation, but exempt shipments under contracts of letter, which a letter of trades had already been opened. This at least half quantity likely to go to Bangladesh, largely by rail and road. So that is fine. Director of Foreign Trade put a file on Food Ministry. Okay, so those things they have promised to give wheat, so they are releasing those shipments. I think so. That's fine. What else? So we had a World Economic Forum at Davos few days back, so you can check out some of the. So this is the Nikhil meeting James Boss, Bill Gates. So there were some good, I think, good conversation you can find in YouTube. I was seeing some YouTube videos, so that is fine. You can check out those things. So I think more or less that is the thing. So let us see how the Nifty performs today. So today is Friday, right? So it is the last trading session for this week, and we are two more days are left. With except today, two more days, 30 and 31st are day of for this month. So this month was completely volatile. So yes, as you can see it. Okay, so thank you for watching and let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions.